loves, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel, and I have a unboxing for you. It's the VillaBeautifful. It was like the, I think, 12 Days of Christmas like Lent kit, and so I did open it so that I could see like what was in it and all of that good stuff. But I wanted to share it with you guys so I can just fully use it. And it is sold out, I believe, but she may have like some extras, and if she does, I will link them below. So if you love planner supplies and beautiful stuff, you are going to definitely love this unboxing. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, let's get into it. So this is all the stuff, and again, it was like all the stickers are for the day, the 12 days of Christmas. So let me take this out of the box off camera and then we'll get into it. Okay, so back. I'm going to open them in order. So this was the first day. Oh, so pretty. Everything, like the packaging, everything was very well done with this kit. So pretty. Some Toolable paper clips. I cannot wait to use those in my planner. I don't know why, but I like wait until I shoot a video for you guys to use stuff, and I need to get faster about shooting my videos so that I can use all the stuff, all the good stuff. Let's see what the second day was. Gorgeous washi. Very nice. And the pattern, like, I kind of can't tell what the pattern is, but it's like lacy. I think it's going to be clear, and then also rose gold. So when I use that in my planner, I'll take a picture and then put it on Instagram so you can see that. So that was day 2. Where's day 3? Day 3. Oh yes, VillaBeautifful pen. And I think the refill might be in here if I can get it in. Am I the only one? I like to try to preserve the packaging, even though I'm probably not going to use it, but I just don't like to rip off pretty packaging like that. But here is the VillaBeautifful pen that came with the kit. I also collect VillaBeautifful pens. I'm going to do a full pen collection at some point. Let me see if I can get this out of the package so that you guys can see it in its full glory. And I believe these are gel pens, so I like to use these on like thicker paper. Ooh, that's so beautiful. Come on here. Yes. And the body is like more matte, not like shiny. And then you've got the rose gold and these beautiful like crystals or whatever they are. It is gorgeous. So pretty, so up my alley. You guys know my favorite color is pink. So what was that? That was day 3. So day 4 is a Pretty Notepad. How cute is that? That's got to go on my desk too. I'm redoing my desk and like getting organized, so I definitely have to display some of this stuff. So pretty. Day 4, day 4, day 4, day 5. Let's see here. Oops. Day 5 is more pretty little stickers. And I believe like these stickers you can put on your nails and stuff. Oh, I should totally do that. I just got my nails done. I might try that and like put it on Instagram so you guys can see. But these are so pretty. So pretty. That's day 5. Day 6. Hope it's another pen. Like, I love collecting pens. Pretty pens especially. Yes, it's another pen. I pre-opened these, but like I don't remember what's all in them. So this is another pen, and this one is like more purpley. And it's rose gold. So I love like rose gold or gold hardware. Excuse me, I'm getting congested a little bit. I love rose gold hardware or gold hardware. That's my favorite. This is also like matte body, and then very pretty. The rose gold is very shiny. I love that. Amazing. So 2 more pins. Here's the 2 pins. I don't know if we're going to get any more, but those are the 2 pins together. So you guys can see those are so cute. What day was that? I think that was day 6. So day 7. My dog's at my feet. He's not happy that I'm not paying attention to him. Is a sticker book. It's so pretty. Let's open that so we can see some of the stickers. Now I know VillaBeautifful does do and this is from November, so you guys know I'm like way behind, but I also didn't want to share it too early because it's the 12 days, like 12 days of Christmas, so people usually wait to open those until December, and I didn't want to sneak peek you guys too soon, but since now it's January and everything is over and people should have been already like using their boxes and stuff, I just wanted to show you, so for next year or for the future kits you can pre-order them because they are so pretty and the quality is amazing. So this is the first page on the sticker book that we got, and then I'll put that right there. Here's the sticker book here. Colors are so pretty. The foil is so nicely done. Love it. If I could just flip. There we go. Love all of these. Definitely will be using these in my planners and my creative journaling. So I use stickers for my planning and creative journaling. I always like to add a little pizzazz to whatever I'm writing. So very pretty, very nice. And then you've got the days of the week, the abbreviated version, and then the written out version. Page flags, arrows, all of the above. And then this is the last page. Very pretty. Okay, so what day are we on? Day 9. This is another pin? Yes. 3 pins. Thank you. So this pin, love it, is rose gold and like a gray. Again, the body on this one is like a matte body. Toss that over here. Yes. That is gorgeous. Don't look at my nails. Underneath my nails. My nails are so dry because it is, or my skin I should say, is so dry because it's winter. Let's put them all together and see how they look. This is how they all look together. Gorgeous. Okay, so that was day 9. Day 10. Day 10. I believe this is a bag. Let's find out. Maybe. Did I do it right? Huh. Okay, wait. This is going to take a second. Oh, I think it's inside here. There we go. Got it, got it. Yep, this is a bag. Nice little tote bag. Day 11. Took forever to get that tote bag out. A pin loop holder that you can put on your planner. That's really nice, really pretty. And day 12 is this nice little pouch. I wonder if it's a pin case. Let's see. Yep, you can use this pretty much for anything. I'll probably take this to like PlannerCon and Go Wild because I'm going to both of those. So this is really nice. I'm so glad I pre-ordered this kit. It's so pretty and I just love it. And plus you can use this too for something. This is really pretty, really well done. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the VillaBeautifful lint kit. I'll get the like actual name of it. It's either like the 12 Days of Christmas or the lint kit. I can't remember, but this is so gorgeous and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you love planner unboxings and planner stuff and planner supplies and like all of that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of DIYs and a great deal of, you know, planner setups and all of that, so you're gonna see more of that in 2020. So thumbs up the video, definitely share and comment, and let me know if you got this kit, what's your favorite part about the kit. Bye guys.